Hey, this is Marko. In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid promotional tab in Gmail. So basically what you want to do when you are sending emails, you want the emails to be sent to a person you know. So for example, if I'm sending it to my friend, I'm going to tell my friend, hey, open this or whatever. So that's another way to not enter any promotion, is that they interact with you or you have exchanged emails before. Another way is just not to use like spammy words that could get you into promotional or spam email. And I guess the final thing is just to try and send as many emails you can to email addresses that will respond back to you, because when they respond back to you, you build a reputation with Gmail and you won't have any issues. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.